Hey guys, it's me Ram and today I'm going to review the Gal 15 Maglev once more. Now you will ask that why I'm doing that. It's because there are many reviews on GAN 15 like Tingman says it's too good, Cubos International says it's disgusting, it's terrible. So this is going to be the review you need. So people say that GAN 15 can't corner cut 45. Some people say it can effortlessly cut 45-degree after setup. It does not cut out of the box, just put some silk on the tracks and pieces, then it will corner cut. And Cubos International even said that the cube pops up. I think he got a defective base, that's why it is happening. There are no such kind of issues on my cube. If you feel that I'm lying about the corner cutting, I will show you the settings. It is 3 on the center travel and compression does not affect the corner cutting, so I will not show it. By the way, it's on 4. The second problem people have with this cube is lockups, and I don't think so it locks up after setup, but you will have difficulty in e-pumps. That's because I don't think I'm good at e-pumps, but you might face such kind of issues. So just don't use squared centers and use some cubicle lab silk. Somebody said that the plastic is very thin and cheap. Yes, it's thin and it is it tends to break easily when you after it gets sold, but I don't think that's an issue. But they should fix this. They should make plastic thicker. Yeah, weight will increase, but that is fine. I think that after the GAN 11, their cubes got terrible, and GAN 15 is a comeback. And its centerpiece, my GAN 12 11 centerpiece collapsed. That's why I had to throw it. So they should fix this thin plastic problem. I don't like that. If you are still watching such a low quality video, then thank you. Subscribe to my channel. And I did not want to make this video. I am ill, but still I made it just to clear your confusions, or it will be too late for 15 GAN 15 review. Subscribe.